from a cheap and chippy chopper on a big black block. Okay, I think we're ready to go. Let's go straight into this. So it's been a little bit since I've made a video. It's not that I haven't been making videos, it's that I haven't been making good videos. I've been doing stuff like this. And this. And even a little bit of this.
I gotta go with what I love. And I love...
Yes, I've been riding a decent amount. Actually took some time off and rode my bike, crashed my bike, got up, rode it again, crashed it again. It was actually kind of hilarious because I rode my WR250R and I took it further than I'd ever taken it, which was great. And then on the way back, I ended up crashing. So I took out my XT250 because I wanted to, and I didn't get it on video. That was the most frustrating part. So I took out my XT250 to go show you the plates where I crashed, and on my way there, I crashed again. I'm not making this up. And now I'm all flustered, and then I go down one more time on that same ride, and then I just hung it up, went home, and I haven't been riding really since. I mean, I've ridden a little bit. I'll get back on it, but it's been extremely hot, and man, I just don't feel like it after dumping 3 times in the last 2 weeks. A little frustrating there. But this video isn't about any of that. What I actually wanted to talk about was a UPS. I have an APC UPS. I've had it for quite some time. I actually got it used from somebody, and they got it used from somebody else. It's been around for forever. And the reason I got it is because the batteries were dead and it wasn't working properly. So I swapped out the batteries back in 2020 and it was working great. And then I started to have these issues where my UPS would just cut out. And I would be running... It's funny because a UPS is supposed to protect you from a power outage. This UPS would actually just reset my system randomly. And I didn't know why. I switched everything over to just a standard power strip for a while the UPS was having issues. And then I ended up swapping the batteries. There's 2 batteries, 2 12-volt batteries that are connected in series in this particular UPS. And I swapped them out for LiFePO 4 batteries. So my batteries lasted... They were just standard SLA batteries, 12 volt, and they lasted approximately 4 years, just over 4 years before I started having these issues where it would just reset. If you ever have an issue with a UPS that randomly just resets or just powers down all of your equipment, check the batteries because that may be it. So I just wanted to quickly touch base. I kind of changed the orientation around here again. The camera was super far over there a little while ago, and I wasn't really liking that. So we're going to try this. Just kind of shake down what this looks like, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.